How to remove users from Netflix account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. So in today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually remove users from your Netflix account. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove users from your Netflix account, it depends upon what you're talking about, whether you want to remove a profile, which means the profile, or whether you want to remove the people who are logged into your account. So here you can add up to 5 profiles, and if you want to delete a profile, then you can tap on the edit button, select a specific profile you want to delete, tap on delete profile button here, then tap on delete in order to delete that profile, as you can see. But if you're talking about whether you want to remove people who are logged into your Netflix account, then first of all you just need to sign in to your Netflix account here. And then once you're signed in, just tap the account icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then here you'll find the option called account, right? So all you need to do is just tap this account button. Then once you tap on this account option over here, you will see this type of interface where you just need to look for the option called scroll down and then tap on sign out of all devices. So just tap on the sign out of all devices option. It'll ask you for a confirmation. Are you sure you want to remove everyone from this Netflix account? So when you tap on sign out, everyone who is logged into the Netflix account will be automatically logged out. This is simply how you can delete users from Netflix accounts. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.